Hey, welcome to Extras from BlendEDTECHlearning. This is Nick Finelli, Global Minecraft EDU Mentor. Today we're going to be talking about our inventory, which means E is for Everything-tory. So of course you're going to be pressing the letter E to get your inventory. And remember, it's just so close there to the control button, so it's easy to use. But I have a couple other tips that might make it a little easier for you to move inventory around, clear your own inventory, and also give it to others. So let's go take a look. So basically your inventory, I'm going to press the letter E. Of course that brings it up. And I have my hotbar slots here. But one of the things you can do is instead of taking something like this and dragging it all the way down, I can just hold down the Shift key and select anything. And it automatically goes in the next slot. You can also, if you press Shift while you're clicking in the hotbar, it gets rid of it too. So that's just a nice feature. Another thing you can do is when you're trying to select or add armor, then when you select something, if you just hit Shift when you select it, it'll go to the correct spot when it's already down here. So let's say I add some boots here. I'm hitting Shift again, and then there they are. So pretty easy to be able to do, but the Shift is nice, and then I can get out, and here I am in Florence, and there's the Duomo. Oh, and there's my friend Spider-Man. Awesome. So that brings up our next thing is I have a lot of stuff, and I have these boots in here, and I kind of just want to get rid of my inventory. So I can type in a slash command just by typing slash and typing the word clear. And what that does is it clears all the inventory from my little hotbar there. So of course if you're playing in a mode where you have unlimited supplies such as creative, then this is not a big deal. Of course you wouldn't want to clear things if you had mined and taken all your time to get them. But anyway, so I'm clearing it, kind of starting fresh. It makes it easier to build new things, add a bunch of things than having to move stuff in and out. What I can also do is if I'm playing with multiplayers, I can clear their inventory too if I need everybody to kind of start from a blank slate too. So I can just type in slash and then clear. Then I hit the space, and you're going to notice as soon as I hit the space, it's going to ask, well, who do you want to clear? All players, entities, maybe closest player, random player, yourself, however. And I'm just going to choose all players, so I'm going to do @A. As soon as I hit enter, it clears. And so now you can see that thing that was holding there, and I didn't have any inventory to clear, but you can see Spider-Man there did not have anything after I hit clear. So now going to the last one, and the third one I'm going to explain about inventory is that you can actually give people things. So, and it doesn't even have to be in your inventory or in your hotbar. You can actually use a slash command. So this next one, I'm going to type in a slash and then give, and then I hit the space bar, and then it's basically up to me who I'm giving it to. I can give it to myself, and so if I want to give myself something, I can just do @self and then space. And so instead of going into the inventory, sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's not, it just depends. And I want to give myself, for instance, an apple, and then I just hit enter, and now you can see an apple is right there in my inventory. If I want to give another player something, same thing, or maybe all players, you do give, and then maybe you need everybody to have a camera to take pictures or something like that. So I'm going to do all players and then start typing in camera, and of course here I can hit tab so I don't have to worry about typing it correctly. It'll finish it out as long as you have one left there. And then I hit enter, and all players will get a camera. So not only I have a camera, but good old Spidey has one too. So that's a way you can give people things, and of course I can take it back. So inventory, there's a lot you can do with it. The slash commands really help, being able to clear it and able to give each other items as you're helping and working as teams or as a teacher kind of controlling the classroom.